Alright, so I've been doing little pieces of video last few weeks. I haven't really had time to stop and edit or do anything, so this will be a real quick short video of we're still alive, we're moving. I've got the U-Haul truck. Had to get a 26-foot truck because they didn't have the 20-footer I wanted, but I guess it worked out to our advantage because we have a lot more stuff than we thought. So anyhow, I'm heading down the road. I'll do video later. Well, you can tell we are in the city again. Look at the traffic.